Hello everyone, my name is Assistant Professor Milan Patel from the Electrical Engineering Department, Mahatma Gandhi Institute of the Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today we will discuss about the design of a mass winding from the chapter number 3 of the subject elements of electrical design. So now flow of contents. First one is conditions for the simplex slab winding, then problem 1, then problem 2. Now conditions for the mass windings. First one is the coil should have a constant span. So first condition is the constant span. Coil must be required. Second one is there should be one coil side per slot. So the number of coil sides is equal to number of slot. So in one slot only one conductor is there. So we can say that the number of coil sides or number of conductors is equal to number of slots. Then there should be only one coil group per pole pair. So there should be only one coil group per pole pair. The maximum number of parallel paths per phase should be equal to the pole pairs. So the number of maximum parallel paths per phase should be equal to the pole pairs. And the last one is the coil span must be odd integer. Coil span must be odd integer. So problem 1. Design a mass winding for a stator of three-phase AC machine having 24 slots and 4 poles. So first of all, calculation and the winding table. So calculation, first of all, we have to calculate uh, small m is equal to slot per pole per phase. So in problem, our number of slots is equal to 24. Our number of slots is equal to 24 and the poles are 4 and the phase is 3. So 24 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. So our m slot per pole per phase is equal to 2. Next calculation is for the coil pitch or coil span. Coil pitch or coil span, and equation for it is slot per pole. Slot per pole. So our total number of slots is equal to 24 and number of pole is equal to 4. So our answer for the coil pitch or coil span is 6 and it is a even number. Sorry, this is a mistake. This is a 6 is even number. So consider 5 or 7 for this calculation. So consider 5 or 4 coil pitch or coil span. અહીંયા 6 જે વેલ્યુ આવી એ ઇવન છે એટલા માટે આપણે એનાથી એક ઓછી ઓડ કન્સિડર કરવાની રહેશે બીકોઝ આપણે જોયું અહીંયા એક કન્ડિશન હતી ધ કોઇલ સ્પાન મસ્ટ બી ઓડ ઇન્ટીજર. So now we have to draw winding table. Winding table in which we will show the current direction for R phase, Y phase, B phase and number of conductors for the each phase. So give numbering. We have total 4 number of poles. That's why we have to make 4 column, 4 column like this. And now give the numbering like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. So these are the conductors for the particular phase. So in R phase, the conductor 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 14, 19, 12 are there. 19, 20 are there. Then for Y phase 3, 4, 9, 10, 15, 16, 21, 22. And for the last B phase 5, 6, 11, 12, 17, 18, 23, 24 are there. For this conductor group, we have to consider upper current direction. Upper current direction. For the second column, we have to consider lower current direction. Same thing for the third column, upward direction. Last fourth column, downward current direction. So this is the current direction. Now simple coil connections will be like this. So number 2 conductor is connected with the 7 number conductor. Conductor 8 is connected with the 13 number conductor. Conductor 14 is connected with the 19 number conductor, and last remaining 20 number conductor is connected with the coil number 1, conductor number 1. Same for all the phases 4, 9, 10, 15, 16, 21, 20 to 3. So we can see that this is 6 but we considered 5 for the coil pitch. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13, 14 plus 5 is equal to 19, 20 plus 5 is equal to 25, but we have only 24 conductors. So after 24, our first conductor is considered again as a 25. So this is the connection of the coils. This is R phase mass winding. This is a B phase mass winding. So this is the mass winding diagram. Now we will see in sheet how to draw the mass winding. This is the only calculation for the mass winding. Now we will see about how to connect the or how to create the mass winding.
Hello everyone, my name is Milan Patel from MGTER, Nausari, from Electrical Department. Okay, now today we will discuss sheet number 5 from Community subject. The aim is design a mass winding for a stator of 3-phase AC machine having 24 number of slots and 4 pole, 4 R phase. Okay, now first of all, given data, number of slots is equal to 24. Number of poles is equal to 4. And here 3-phase AC machine is given. From the data, we have to first find slot per pole per phase. Small n is equal to 24 number of slots per pole per phase. So our value of m is equal to 2. Our value of m is equal to 2 means slot per pole per phase is equal to 2. Now next we have to find slot pitch alpha, and the equation of alpha is equal to pi p by s. Pi p by s. So simple, pi into p is equal to 4 divided by s is equal to 24. So our answer is 30 degree. Our answer is 30 degree. Now next we have to find phase spread sigma is equal to m alpha, and it is 2 into 30 because the value of m is equal to 2 and slot pitch alpha is equal to 30. So our answer is 60 degree. So for each phase 60 degree winding is there. Okay. Now most important thing, coil span. Coil span is given by slot per pole. So slot 24 and pole is equal to 4. So is equal to answer 6. But 6 is a even integer, so we cannot use as a coil span. So we have to take 5 or 7. We have to take 5 or 7. But we will use short pitch winding. We will use short pitch winding. That's why we have to consider 5 as our coil span. Okay. Now winding table. There are main 3 phases are there: R phase, Y phase, and B phase. And we have total 4 number of columns, in which 2 slots are there. In which 2 slots are there. Our winding table. Our winding is started from 1, and each column have 2 conductors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So all the conductors are covered over here from 1 to 24. Now R phase containing conductors 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 14, 19, 20. We will use only these conductors as in our winding diagram, because we want only R phase winding. That's why we consider 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 14, 19 and 20. Now it's time to provide current direction. The first column conductor having upward direction. The second column conductor have downward current direction, and the third one is again upward. Last one is down. So now from this winding table we will construct our must winding for 24 slot 4 pole in sheet. Okay, thank you. Okay, now as seen our winding diagram, we will give first current direction. So conductor 1 and 2 have upward direction, then 7 and 8 has downward direction. Again 13 and 14 have upward direction, then 19 and 20 have downward direction. Now simple, from winding table we can connect our conductors are 1, 2, 7, 8, 13, 14 and 19, 20. So from these 8 conductor, the total 4 number of coils will be constructed. So first coil is 2 plus 5, where 5 is our coil span. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So this is our coil number 1, 2, 3, and last one is 20 plus 5 is equal to 25, but we have only 24 conductors, so it is 1. So these are the 4 coils, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now connect them. So conductor number 2 is connected with conductor number 7. So in all the coils, the first conductor will be shown like this, larger than other, and then it is connected to the next conductor. So next conductor is 7. So this is our first coil is completed. Our coil number 1 is completed. Now second coil is from 8 to 13. Second coil is from 8 to 13. Third coil is 14 to 19. And last 20 to 1. Sorry, one mistake is here. 2 to 7. This is connected to the conductor number 20. So our coil 1, 2, 3, 4 are constructed. Now it's time to provide supply to these coils. Now to first coil we will give starting of R phase, because all the conductors are from R phase, so this is our starting of R. The current will flow like this and out from conductor number 7, and it will out from here and goes to the conductor number 13, because we know that this is the incoming conductor, and from conductor number 8 it will again come out and next incoming at the conductor number 14. From circulating like this, the conductor will out from conductor number 19, and from 19 it will go to the conductor number 1, but conductor number 1 is in starting, so we have to show like this, and from rotating from conductor number 1 the current will come here from conductor number 20. So this is our finishing of R. So this is our 24 slot MUS winding for R phase. This is starting of R, this is finishing of R. Okay, now here total 4 number of coils are there, so it will looks like, so this is our starting of R, so our current will flow like this manner. So this is the open type winding. In DC there are closed type of winding, and in AC this is open type, because there is no brushes and commuters are there. So this winding is used for small induction machines. This type of MUS windings are used for small induction machine. Okay, thank you.